this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Today with a highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to put on a screen protector on a Series 7000, Series 2, and Series 3 Apple Watch. This will not work with a Series 1 with this type of screen protector. So, get the Apple Watch you will be putting the screen protector on. Get a towel, use some rubbing alcohol, and go ahead and clean the screen off first. Make sure there are no oils, because when there's oils, the glue on the screen protector will not stick and it will come off very quickly. So go ahead and then get it dry so the screen is completely dry and free of oils. Once you have it cleaned, go ahead and get the screen protector itself. Peel off what covers the glue. And go ahead and dust it off one more time. Make sure there is no dust particles or nothing on the screen itself. And go ahead and start from one end. Make sure you are putting it on correctly, such as just laying it down perfect on each end of the corners. And then just let go and slowly work your way down till you get to the end. What's nice about this screen protector is that it actually causes there to be 0 to no air bubbles in the actual screen. There you go. And that is how you put on a screen protector for a Series 7000, Series 2, and a Series 3 Apple Watch. Thanks for watching, guys.